Okay, here I am. You back. Oh, we finally where we need to be. Finally. Finally. Give me a hand. It's 3 o'clock. I want to do this by 3 o'clock today. I've got my turkey out now. Here goes the big bird, honey. Yep, it's got this flower here. I gotta get it. Okay, now what I need to do. I'm going to take long with this bird. I hope I don't take too long with this yet. No. Now, all I need to do is my shit. And this is my stuff that I need. I got something special. I managed to squeeze it in. Got me some pumpkin eggnog. Yep. I'm going to have some eggnog later on. Mm-hmm. People in here with me, but you know what? I got this stuff. Oh, I needed bread just to have here. 2 big ass loaves of bread. These do pretty good. I tell you, some good ass bread. I may have fixed me a roast beef sandwich here while I'm waiting for this shit. So, yeah, I have some appetizers. I got my cranberries finally. Mm-hmm. And this stuff here. Now this is where my bird, where the big bird's gonna go. I think I need something to drain this in. I don't know why I didn't get an extra one for this. Shoot. Mia knows how to throw it out in the kitchen, I tell you. Well, that was a good idea she had. Now this is for my 7-layer salad, which is going over here. They not need, hey, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm just getting my damn bird. Now, stuff this bird in here. Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving. My 7-layer salad is all over here. Never miss out on that. Chocolate pecan pie, I'm missing out on that, but we do that. I do that on Christmas, so I'll tell you. I mean, I'm gonna make sure I get a good meal from this year. Thanksgiving ain't gonna be, Christmas is gonna be a lot different than this. Trust me. Yeah, here we go. Now I gotta wash this. I gotta do this because I gotta get the dressing cooked. I don't know how much of them I need. I need to get the big bag of it. That's a man of money. You know, Thanksgiving, prior to Thanksgiving, I've had a lot of money to do stuff, but you know, really throw down. But that's because I was working salaries and getting paid. You know, this is what happened. I had paid all money on a credit card, and I was going to use a credit card to buy my food. And I paid Monday, and what happened was I didn't know it declined. So Wednesday, I didn't get to pay it till yesterday. So, well, no, it was Tuesday. When was it? No, it was Wednesday. I was supposed to get all the stuff yesterday and start last night. But I didn't have this thing for my turkey. So I got food. I cooked already, like macaroni, mashed potatoes, and my sweet potato casserole. But the other stuff that I needed, just little stuff, I didn't get yet. So, but anywho, I'm getting it together. I'm trying to get it together. Now, let me see. I could actually cook this in the microwave. Mm-hmm. In a 1.5 quart microwave safe bowl. Mix contents of stuffing, mixed pouch with cups of hot water and butter and cut to pieces. Now I'm gonna put the I usually put carrots and celery in my stuffing. I'm gonna stuff this bird like I've never stuffed a bird. I'll just use this different stuff. Let's see. You know, it's quicker to do it in the microwave. You know, why not? I'm not gonna sit here and wait for this and wait for what you call it. Wait for the water to boil in this pan. I got the turkey stuffing, fit for a turkey. I didn't have the sage. I wanted the sage kind. But, you know, we'll have stuffing so much this year. Okay, just get that together. Okay, how much do I need in here? How much water? So I'm making sure I have enough. So I'm going to need about 3 cups of hot water. I think I'll do with 2 of these. I don't know. Maybe I ought to make a little more. I don't know. I put stuff in my stuffing, so it's going to make more of it. There we go. It is so freaking hot in this damn place. I do not know why. It's hot. It's hot. It's cool outside. It's like 50 degrees out. It's burning up in this place. Somebody, I swear, in this building has the heat on 90 degrees. I want to kick their ass. Because I'm fucking sweating. I said he was so hot he had to get out of here. It's a little minute to start cracking the windows in this damn place. I need to get an air conditioner. Shit, we don't need air. I got the fans going, and sometimes the fans just ain't enough. Could be worse, though. It could be summertime in here with no air conditioning. Y'all may ought to see my photos on that shit. My videos I did on being in this place, no AC. I got them on my videos. Y'all want to watch it. I got tons of just regular videos. So this is right before I had the live. Now what I need to do. First, let's be in trash. Let's in trash. Oh, God. Now, okay, I'm going to I need to wash this out, man. Wash everything. I'm going to have enough dish liquid for the rest of this month. Oh, we got to buy stuff for this house instead of trying to think when I'm going to need this house. Oh, Christmas shit. We got three cups of this lovely stuff. Usually like my stuffing a little moist, so you know, look at all this probably. I'll try to see if this is going to be enough or not. Not like I have a lot of people over, but you know what? I've had one of them times where I didn't think I was going to have a lot of people over, and before I knew it, everybody was coming over. No leftovers. It was 2000, I think it was, might have been 2010 or 9, somewhere, 12. I don't remember what I did in 2012 Thanksgiving. Probably I know it was at Cedar Street that year. Yeah, I think, I'm trying to remember what I did that year. I had that, and then I had 2013. That's when April in LA was over helping cook the food. And then I had 2014 here, I think. There's one year this guy Gary was living here and he helped out. There's one year, I kind of get them years sometimes where I just didn't even feel like doing Thanksgiving Day. I just wanted to order it out because one of the things okay, half a stick. Well, I'm going to go with this. You know, I might as well go with a whole stick of butter. You know what I'm saying? As it says, hey, there's little Johnny. Happy Thanksgiving, Johnny. Where are you eating Thanksgiving dinner at? Where you cooking Thanksgiving? Now, this thing here. Now, I'm going to throw this away. Duh. I don't know, this kitchen ain't big enough. I swear to God. See how cramped it is in here? Shit. I gotta move all this. I'll put these rolls over here. They're heavy. I'm not cooking those until everything's almost done. Same with these greens. Yeah, I was gonna make my greens. Right? Didn't turn out. You know, as Turk says, fuck how turn out, right? Fuck how turn out, fuck how turn out. Yeah, fuck how turn out. Now, how long does this cook? 5-6 minutes? Okay, I got everything in there. The oven's not on. Now, I'm going to put in there 6 minutes extra. I always like my stuff done, so I make sure to put it on there the maximum time. Now, for the big moment, the bird. Okay, my cat's already back here. They wait for their meal, honey. Do they know they're getting I got the turkey neck. You know, turkey neck. Use parts of the turkey to make the pets their meal. You know, yeah. I'm gonna have that's a pan. That's how I got the pan. The pan's gonna be doing that. Yeah, I gotta leave that shit in here. Now let's take a look at this turkey. Let me tell you what happened one time. I was watching a video on Facebook, and there was something in a turkey. Somebody got a big turkey, I don't know what kind of turkey it was, and got inside there and pulled out a little bitty turkey. Basically, it was a pregnant turkey. It was pregnant. I don't know if I'd have ate that baby turkey or not. I found something like that. I don't even know if I would have ate the turkey, period. Shoot. Turkey, what is it? I know this turkey. Why did they kill a pregnant turkey anyway? They know she was pregnant. Okay, now I gotta get everything out. Okay, this is what is this part? Get to watch me do the big job. Let me put you over here so you can see what I'm doing. See this stuff here? Got this. And their meal. Yep, Tiggy Waggy and kitties. Got this as their meal here. I'll probably put a few slices of turkey in theirs. Then their little souffle. I know they love Thanksgiving. I put some tuna in there too. I got a can of tuna or salmon. I'm going to put some salmon in there. So they're going to get a special Thanksgiving meal. Now, I've got to rinse this damn thing out. There was one year, I've got to make sure I got everything out of here, but there was one year I didn't get everything out. You know what happened? They kind of put it in here like this. Hopefully I don't have to do something. This is kind of a small turkey, to be honest with you. You want me to show you what my turkey looks like? Here. Let me wipe my hands off. Let me show you my turkey. Hold on. Here it is. Okay. A turkey. Poor turkey. I'm sorry, this is how you have to end your life. But you know what? There's things out there that eat us. I wonder what the vegetarians do on Thanksgiving. Okay, that's what my bird looks like now. Now I'm going to focus back over here. And I'm trying to put in here this bird. Bird and turd. Turd bird. I'm going to have a hard time getting this shit out of here, too. It's going to be hot. I got my oven mitt, but I don't know if it's going to be enough. I got this thing out of here. Okay. I'll put this right here. Not that big. It's not a really big turkey. You know, imagine if I had a house. I tell you, I would have had to cook for a bunch of people. I'm telling you, I would have. Oh, fuck. If I had to cook for a bunch of people, I would have had to got me a bigger turkey and get two. There's that thing there I want to use. Maybe something drains. You know. Hard to get out. This thing ain't really that big. It might be fit. See this thing? Because I never. Yeah, Mia said she punches holes in the aluminum pan. Sorry I have to use your tips, Mia, but you got some good ideas. So, some things I should do. But, here we go. This thing is going to go in here. And it fits. Oh, damn. I wish this thing would fit. Oh, Lord. You know, this bird's got to drain somewhere. I mean, that damn water's going to be boiling. I don't know how she does that. She puts another pan on the bottom, and then she punches holes in the one on the top. I don't get how she does it. You know, she's busy right now. You know that she's got a lot of people going on her. But she got a late start too. You checked with her last night. Oh, God. There we go. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is put the butter on this thing. Butter the turkey. How much of this is going to take to butter, I don't know. I usually just heat it up, you know what I'm saying? But I figure it'd be better this way. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to season my stuff. You know, I have to season my turkey. I have to season everything. But I got to baste this stuff too, so I got to put my basting on this. That's the first thing I think is going to go on there. There's this stuff. I got to put basting on the turkey. I have a brush somewhere. I don't know where my brush is. I got a brush to baste my turkey with. I had a brush. Oh, what happened to my brush? I have a basting brush somewhere. I always keep shit. I just have to keep shit. Man, I hate that. I hate it when I need something I don't have it. Oh, shit. Oh, here's good, too. Probably ain't the cleanest, but this is good. I'm going to go ahead and clean the stuff out of this shit. Man, first thing I need to do. Here's my tape. Here's what I'm going to use. I use in this. I baste my turkey using this. So I'm trying to think what I use to put on there first. I should put my butter on there, right? Because I want to butter this turkey. I think this is how she did it. It's not turkey unless it's butter. I think you have to melt this, don't you? Don't I gotta melt it? I'm gonna melt it. I better melt this thing. It ain't gonna come out right if I don't. But as if it don't, fuck how it turn out, right? Fuck how it turn out. I'm gonna be saying that. Look what you got. Look what Turk got us doing. We are saying we got that song going in our heads. Yep. Now I'm gonna put a little of this. Watch me fluff up the dressing. Dressing here. I'm waiting to put the celery and other shit in there. I can't believe I'm just getting to this shit. Somewhat right. Tastes good. But I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna taste better when I get them carrots and put them in there and the celery. Called country style dressing. That's the way I like to make it. Down home cooking food. Oh, those sweet potatoes, I hope they come out. I hope they taste okay. I'm going to probably have to put them back in the oven. And let it cook again. Celery out now. Okay. And the celery. I've got to have the celery. I got this for 78 cents. That wasn't bad, is it? You don't get it for $1 something, Kroger, anywhere else. One thing, Walmart gets a little cheaper than Kroger, but not much. It'll be cheaper for me when I get a discount. I'm going to be using that for my 7-layer. Right? Now my friend here ain't got her lima beans right here. Yeah, you know, it's interesting. You go to different people's houses and people cook different stuff, you know what I mean? I'll say it, but especially when you go to people of different cultures and stuff, like, just to see how, what white people cook for, black people cook for Thanksgiving, white people cook, been to Mexicans people's house, yes, they have, something I did not get, my olives, shit, damn, I knew I forgot something. They have that every year on Thanksgiving. But they have Thanksgiving pretty much the same time I do. They've had their turkey up. They'll have their stuff around 6 o'clock. I mean, that's, I don't know what it is now. I'm going to have to get a hold of some family while stuff is cooking and everything. Wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, I hate that I have to spend Thanksgiving without family. I really do. I want to make sure that we get paid. We got to I always say this shit and it doesn't work out. But, 2017, I don't know what kind of year I can say this is, but 2008. Years that begin with the letter 8, with the number 8, are usually better luck for me. I'm going home and cooking. My dad had spent Thanksgiving by himself. Should be there cooking Thanksgiving for him. We not have hardly anybody. The people here, I'll be down there. I just want to say I feel bad. I just want to add it. Probably stop. I bet Duff's is open down here in Florida, isn't it? They got a Duff still. You know that? Oh, Duff's Moses Door. I love that place. Hate it when they took them out of business. But I was thrilled to know. They had them in Ohio. They had one in Florence. I used to go to that all the time and eat there. And those were the days. They used to have them in Ohio. They had them in, like I said, northern Kentucky. I don't think Louisville never had one. Ain't too much Louisville has had. The Louisville's got it. Everybody's got it. Kentucky really, I don't know. They don't really do stuff different from us. They don't. I don't ever see stuff here that you don't see anywhere else. Yeah, I wish we would get that LaRosa's up here because I'm not wanting to eat Papa John's anymore. And all we got is the only thing we got. The pizza's not $20. Is Domino's and Pizza Hut. And the Domino's and Pizza Hut where we live, Domino's is okay, but not Pizza Hut. Who is it? Somebody's saying Joy. Who is that? Yeah. Come on live. Everybody knows I'm on live. People messaging me. I said, you got to talk to me. I guess some people don't want to be live where everybody can see them, but not everybody can. Yeah, I miss being with my family. If I couldn't go down, I went down to my brother's house, and here my dad's down there by himself and going on to the hospital. I felt kind of bad, We would have had to just go down and see Dad anyway. Go down and cook Thanksgiving for Dad, Because Dad said he was lonely. Dad said he's not lonely around there. That's my mom. So, I'm saying, he could have gone down there and cooking his Thanksgiving. I wish I did not have to work. Wish I could. Just took off. At least a week. I couldn't take off. I don't know. They don't take off for Christmas. I don't think they're going to like us. I had to pick a job where, retail, you got to work all these weird days. Retail's an okay job. But, I worked Walgreens before. I worked at Walgreens. And you know how they work on holidays and shit. And one reason I do not like working, one thing about retail that I couldn't be around is that, you never got off on holidays. You missed out spending time with your family. And, I know a lot of times we got to work, go out and hustle, make the money wherever we got to make. But when it comes to your family, you just, it's hard. It's hard to miss out. Here we go. Now what I need to do is, here we go. We're going to stuff this turkey in. The first thing I need to do. Okay, that was the turkey I was getting ready to baste that one. I had a whole turkey too. What was I gonna put it in? I was gonna melt the butter in something, and I don't know what it was. I had gotten that out of there for the reason to melt the butter, because I want to put the butter. So I'll make sure the butter goes on here good. I think I already hit some of this. I had half a stick. Where'd it go? I had a half a stick of butter. Damn. I'm going ahead and buttering this turkey. This is how I butter it. One thing I forget to do. Somebody said they can use wings for all kinds of things. These are the parts of the turkey I eat as a leg. I like the dark meat, and then I use the white meat. You know, everybody comes here and eats the white meat. A lot of people here eat the dark meat, so my son will probably want these legs. He'll probably want the leg and wing. I'll be stuck eating the damn fucking breast. If there's any left. You're gonna be lucky if there's some left. Shit. I'm telling you, there's been times when I have nobody over and still did not have leftovers. Everybody just ate we just ate everything. Because one was me, Jan, but then people also came by to visit. Oh, this cat's over here waiting. They are over here. Look at them. They over here waiting. I'll show you in a minute. Let's go and name this butter out. This butter gets on a turkey one way or another. I don't know. I seen Turk. I wonder if what Turk's doing today. He was out riding around. I don't think he was the one driving. He's sitting there wondering who in his family's cooking turkey. I said, you know. Okay, now the next thing goes on here is the basting. I'm using this to baste my turkey. I usually use that. Turkey. Baste my turkey. One year I think I used beer one year. I sure did. You know, I'm going to have to use some of the juice that comes out of there and make the gravy with. I forgot to get a jar of gravy, but you know what? That's alright, because I got other plans. Now, time to put the dressing in here. Time to stuff this turkey. family. No, it would have been nice if Mom missed out. You know, we would all went and had Thanksgiving with her, and we could have just went to the house and had Thanksgiving dinner. Just had, you know, leave Dad by himself. You know. Dad will eat my cooking or not. He likes mixed vegetables. But probably what I'm going to wind up having. Instead of green beans, I'll just make mixed vegetables to go with this. And my greens. Wish I could do something with mixed vegetables though. You know what I'm saying? I almost want to make like a, I don't think it's something I can cook. You know what I'm saying? No, I think I'm going to put it in sideways instead of just put it in that way. That way when I pour stuff in, it all won't go on the dressing. I'm making sure the vegetables cook in the turkeys. And just eat the fucking rest of this damn stuff. Shit, I'm hungry. I've got food in there I can eat for lunch. I got leftover soup. I got roast beef sandwiches I can make. I got some macaroni salad I can eat from. It needs to get eaten up pretty soon. Got food, you know, like I guess those are my appetizers. I have all kinds of leftover this weekend. I shouldn't have to worry about not cooking shit. I don't know about that. I don't know who all going to stop. You know what? I'm going to tell you when people would stop in my place. It would be about 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. People would stop in and eat food. When I did run out of shit. Thought I would have leftovers out the ass. No. Here comes people. But I feel sorry that one girl out there. She didn't have Thanksgiving dinner. She out there in the streets, nowhere to go. And, you know, we actually have a place up here that's actually serving food for Thanksgiving for homeless. You know, can't leave these homeless people out. But I ain't know the girl. I want to invite her to come over and eat. She didn't know where to go. I got to work tomorrow, though. You know, got to work on the craziest shopping day of the year. Gina, what you doing? Hey, where have you been, Gina? You know, Lisa was on here a minute ago. Lisa knows my play on how I do on Thanksgiving. That's so good. I got carrots in here. Now, I'm trying to stuff this damn thing. Stuff in my life. Making sure all the carrots and the celery are out here. There's any left. My son eats this dressing. This is probably what he will eat too. Whenever we don't have the carrots and the celery, I'm going to have to let him have it. He's a picky eater. Picky little shit. Who is it? Everybody's wishing me happy Thanksgiving on Messenger. Mm-hmm. Now this don't have no carrots in here. Yeah, this would be what my son eats. Mm-hmm. My son's part of the deal right in here. Now, carrots not even done. But now, here we go. Next thing to do is the pineapple. I'm going to, I think, probably ain't going to be good enough. Put this over. I almost want something to put the turkey over in case the thing busts open. I hate that bust all over the oven. So we would really been fucked up, wouldn't we? Now, I got my pineapple juice in here somewhere. Here it is. Make it. I might be freeing that up for my cranberry relish. I don't know if this will be big enough. Turkey gonna come out good. Actually, it's gonna come out really bacon good. Basil, of course, that's my main spice. I put basil in everything. You can't imagine. Can't imagine any of my stuff not having basil unless I just run out and didn't have the money to get it. Mm-hmm. Gotta season my shit. I won't eat nothing unless it's seasoned. I like seasoned shit. I'll not eat a turkey that's not seasoned or based. Of course, my seasoned salt, you gotta have that. And I got my garlic and herb seasoning. Got this too. It's going to be some damn good food. Here we go. And now, finally got it ready to go. Now, y'all can cheer me on because you know what? I finally got it done. I'm going to have to, I need something with check inside of it. Now, I'm going to put this on top of the pan. Oh, God. It's probably... There we go. It fits perfect. Very much fits. What a touch of it. I have to move it down. Yeah, see, this is easier to get out this way. I don't want to put it down here. Is this shit? Ain't gonna work. There. No, I didn't mean to put it there like that. Here we go. There we go. Thank you. Turkey's in. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. The turkey is in. And I got it in before 4 o'clock. I sure the fuck did. Y'all was just cheering root. I got my turkey in. Yes. Now, next thing I got. Let me finish this and just do another one.